I actually have all this stuff here. Let's see, what time is it?
Oh, you do have it.
Well, I
Print it out?
I don't have the articles, I just have the
Oh.
study guide.
Okay. See, like, if you had the articles, I could point out to you what to do, but
Yeah.
this
Like
works
this
right
right
here.
here.
Oh. That's a weird way.
Well, I formatted it differently so it
Yeah.
can all fit on 2 pages.
Okay.
And I put space in between it so I could
Yeah.
reference.
You're not gonna be able to answer these with just double spacing, I can tell you that right now.
Yeah, this is just to write little notes.
Yeah. I've done the Gestalt one like twice. I've done the Wells one, the Proclamation of Philosophies of the World, like twice. I haven't done James, but I'm like familiar enough with James to be able to just tell you. I've done Kierkegaard. I've done
Freud.
Williams, but I haven't done Freud yet. Freud is the one I've been avoiding because it's so long.
Yeah.
And like, I know like some of these answers just because of my like background in psychology, but I don't know what the actual text says, so it could be something completely different. So that's something we should go over together because I haven't gotten an opportunity to actually go through all these with everyone.
Okay.
It's usually been like the same 3 or 4.
Okay.
Because there's like 7 of them, right?
Yeah. 7. So let's kind of talk about this for a little bit.
Okay. Do you have a computer?
I don't. I just have that tablet.
Okay. If you want to use the tablet to look things up with, that would probably be the best thing to do.
Okay.
Because I know for the Gestalt one, it's like, I don't know, 8 or 9 pages long.
Mm-hmm.
So like, you need to really go through and point out where each question is.
Mm-hmm.
And like, there are specific spots where each question is discussed.
Okay.
So it won't be too hard to figure that out.
Okay.
Was there anything that you thought I could answer like right away that you wanted to know about?
Yeah. So you did which ones on this page?
Let me see. I haven't done number 1, but I feel like I can answer number 1 pretty confidently.
Okay.
Just because we've been covering that sort of philosophy since day 1.
Yeah.
I've done number 3, I've done number 4. So any of those we can do.
Okay. So number 3. Let's try that one. Wells, the
Okay.
Proclamation of Philosophies of the World. So sources of knowledge.
Do you remember those? It was like rationalism, empiricism, authority, revelation. I forget what the others were. There were a couple more, I think.
Okay.
Pretty easy stuff.
Okay. So Proclamation of Philosophies of the World. So what were they again?
Empiricism and rationalism, the scientific method, which is logical positivism, revelation and authority, and I think there was one more, but I don't remember it off the top of my head.
Okay. And then what are the assumptions of secularism? So basically...
Secularism assumes that there is no God. That's really the only assumption.
Okay.
Like, I think, obviously it's going to assume there's no God. There might be an assumption that there is no objective morality. I'm not sure if the article actually addresses that, but it might, because that's a common thing with secularism. Even though people try to make it sound like secular humanism is an objective morality, which it is, it only exists because people say it does, so it's not really that objective.
Yeah.
Like, it's not coming from any form of authority.
Mm-hmm. So... how do they differ from the sacred truth beliefs? Sacred truth beliefs include God?
What was that?
It says how does they differ? Sacred truth beliefs.
I'm not sure where that was reflected in the article. I don't remember that specific wording, so you'll probably have to come back to that.
Okay. The difference between altruism and hedonism. Hedonism is
Yeah, you know that. That's
pure-
pretty easy.
Yeah, it's just like all
Hedonism,
selfish.
avoid pleasure, or no, seek pleasure, avoid pain, and then altruism is do things for other people
Yeah,
and
and
not for yourself.
it's like you can't choose anything but being selfish. And this says you can be selfish, but you can also choose to be selfless.
Mm-hmm. And then you know what materialism is, I'm positive. You know what materialism is?